Welcome, yogis. So today's flow is going to be a 15-minute fiery flow. We're going to focus on inner thigh activation and some twists and adding in some side planks just to build that extra strength. So just start for a moment, closing your eyes, taking a deep breath in and sighing it all out. And sealing the lips, breathe in and out through the nose. Just letting yourself settle into the space, creating that distinction in your day. You've chosen to be here physically, so try and arrive more mentally. And using the breath as a tool to really connect the mind with the body, connect with how you're feeling. Now let's take it into our all fours. Stack shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, toes tucked. Navel draws in, squeezing your sit bones together to really squeeze your Mula Bandha, and navel drawn in and up, Uddiyana Bandha. And just start rocking back and forth here. So sending the shoulders way beyond the fingertips and pulling them back. Also maybe bringing some movement into the spine. So rounding through the upper back. And then fingertips point away from one another, gently rocking from side to side. And then back of the hands down, fingertips point in. And again, rocking from side to side. And from here, we come back into our all fours. Bring your right knee in towards the center of the mat. Kick through the left leg. Place your left knee behind your right knee, so Gambikasana legs. But we're going to do some cat-cows here. So inhale, arch the back. And exhale, round the spine. So we're bringing movement into the spine, but I also want you to really tune into that inner thigh. So squeeze your inner thighs. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round. Let's do one more, breathe in. Breathing out. And inhale, neutral spine. Kick through the left leg. Place the left knee down. We're going to switch. So bring the left knee into the center. Right leg goes long. Squeeze inner thighs again. Inhale, arch. And round. And as you arch the back, try and pull the shoulder blades down towards the hips. So you're really strengthening through the back of the body. Exhale, push. Let's do one more, breathe in. Breathing out. Inhale, neutral spine, straighten the right leg. Let's take it into plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale to tiptoes, right knee bends, left heel drives down. Try and squeeze your right thigh into the tummy. Squeeze your right heel towards your bum, so you're trying to find that hip compression through the right side for 3. Keep squeezing inner thighs for 2. And 1. Place the right foot down. Switch, so you can come to the balls of the feet. Then bend your left knee, right heel drives down. Squeeze left thigh to tummy, left heel to bum for 3. Keep trying to drive that right heel down. 2. And 1. Now inhale to tiptoes. Let's roll forward into our plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Back to plank. Take your hips back into hovering child's pose. Look forward, roll biceps up, triceps down. Push off the toes. Inhale, bring your chest as close to the floor as you can as you come through into your upward facing dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. Let's do that again. Inhale, so come forward. Exhale, elbows bend. Straighten arms, breathe in. Hovering child's pose, breathe out. Squeeze inner thighs here. Thighs to tummy. Inhale, push off the toes. Elbows hover, push through, up dog. Downward facing dog. Take a breath. Exhale. Now, inhale, right leg sweeps high to the sky. Exhale, bend the knee. Inhale, try and send the knee higher. And exhale, stay here. Let's do one more, breathe in. Breathe out. Now inhale, straighten through the right leg. And exhale, try and bring your right big toe to your right wrist. If it gets stuck along the way, that's okay. Let's do 2 more of those. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, big toe to wrist. So you're finding that hip compression. Squeeze inner thighs here. 1 more, breathe in. Breathing out. Inhale into your 3-legged dog. And exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lower the knee down. And exhale, lift. Make sure your fingertips are helping you here. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Last one, breathe in. And breathe out. Now inhale, send your right foot over to the left, finding eagle legs in your downward dog. And again, we're focusing on inner thigh activation. Squeeze the inner thighs. Pull the right thigh into tummy for 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. Inhale, come forward again, right knee to nose. Place the right foot down. Bring your right hand underneath your right shoulder. We're in a modified side plank, so left arm reaches all the way up. And as you exhale, press into the left foot, press into the right hand. Lift your right knee, bring your left hand behind your head. Inhale, knee is an inch off the floor, chest is open. Exhale, crunch them in. Let's do 4 more. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Keep squeezing that right heel to bum. 2. And 1. Exhale. Left hand down. Pivot onto the outer edge of left foot. Right leg straightens. Right arm reaches overhead. Exhale, draw elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Let's do 3 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Now we're going to place that right foot at the top of the mat. So lift your left heel off the ground. Try and hug your right thigh in towards the tummy. Try and hover it. And then place the foot down. Amazing. Reaching your fingertips forward. Kick through the left heel. Push the right knee forward. And squeeze your inner thighs. Let's do that a couple more times. So kick through the heel. Right knee pushes forward. And draw it in. 1 more. Breathe in. And breathing out. Plant your palms. Inhale, sweeping that right leg all the way up to the sky. Elbows come down. Maybe have a bit of a play. Maybe try and take it into eagle legs, taking it upside down. So pulling that left thigh down into tummy, squeeze inner thighs, ravel the legs. Holding it here for 3, 2, and 1. And then slowly coming down. Take a second, breathe in. Exhale. On your inhale, come forward into plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Back to plank. Hovering child's pose. Pull through into your upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Amazing. Left leg high, breathe in. Bend the knee, squeeze the heel to bum. Inhale, try and send the knee higher so you're really strong through the hamstring, through the glutes. Exhale, stay here. Now straighten through the left leg, breathe in. Compress through the left hip as you pull left big toe to left wrist. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, pull it in. Let's do 1 more, breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, send it high, knee to chest. Lower the knee down, lift it up. 2 more, inhale, lower. Exhale, lift, really strengthening those hip flexors. 1 more, breathe in. And breathe out. Now send your left foot over to the right, find your eagle legs. Compress through the left hip, squeeze inner thighs for 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. Come forward. Left knee comes down. Modified side plank. Left hand underneath left shoulder. Right arm reaches up. And then press into the right foot and left hand. Inhale, left knee lifts. Right hand comes behind the head. Breathe in. Elbow to knee. 4 more. Inhale. Exhale. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Right hand down. Come onto the outer edge of the right foot. Left leg straightens. Left arm reaches overhead. Elbow pulls into knee. 4 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3, 2, and 1. Now looking down towards the right thumb, bring the left foot further forward, squeeze your inner thigh, and slowly place the foot down. Amazing. So you're reaching the fingertips forward. Again, tummy-thigh connection. Push left knee forward, kick right heel back. So we're tuning into our inner thighs here. Right heel pushes back, left knee pulls forward, and then you squeeze everything in. It's like a scissoring action. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale, scissor, squeeze, pull right hip further forward. 2 more, breathe in. And breathe out. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Good, hands down, sweeping that left leg up. Elbows drop down. Take it into your pincha. And then try and swap the legs. And take it into your eagle. So left thigh pulls down towards tummy. Ravel the legs. So right leg is on top of left. And then pull the thighs down even more. Navel draws in for 3. Maybe drop the gaze. 2. And 1. And then slowly with control come down. And take it into your child's pose. 1 breath here, inhale. Exhale. And then from here, we're going to rise up. And we're going to take it into our Baddha Konasana. Soles of the feet together. Open the feet like a book. Lengthen through the lower back. Inhale. Press your elbows into inner thighs. Reach your chest forward, reach your head forward, and gaze down. On every inhale, we try and reach the head forward, find that extra length. And as we exhale, perhaps the chest comes a little bit lower. So we've been working into the inner thighs. Now we're trying to just counter that, opening out through that space. Let's spend 2 more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Amazing. Then slowly roll up through the spine. The soles of the feet to the floor. Reach your arms forward and come all the way down. Taking it into your Shavasana. If there's any other wiggles or movements that you want or need, now is the time. Otherwise, straighten legs, straighten arms. Take a deep breath in. And release. And let's do that again. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. And as you lay here, let yourself go. Let your energy drop down. Let yourself take this time to be, to find stillness. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And I hope to see you again.